Hey, what's up? I'm Santio Silvano. If you do or don't know who I am, allow me to introduce myself. So yeah, as I said, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Santio Silvano. I am a UK-based open format nightclub DJ working with brands such as Revolution, Stonegate Pubs. A lot of work with DJs like Fatboy Slim, Rudimental, just to name a couple, as well as doing massive corporate events. Now, over the last 8 years, I've had one hell of a DJ career so far for a commercial DJ, and I want to share with you some of the tips and tricks I've learned along the years of how to do DJing tricks, like how to get gigs, how to DJ. But as well, I'm going to give you a masterclass over the next couple of weeks on streaming, and that's going to be the first thing that I'm going to do, because at the moment we are currently on pretty much an international lockdown. Some countries it's enforced, some countries it isn't, because of the coronavirus, COVID-19. So yeah, we're definitely I'm going to be taking a look into how to give you kick-ass looking streams probably over the next 2 weeks. So yeah, if you're interested, click that subscribe button, click the bell icon to turn on notifications, and let's do this together.